everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 17th to the 21st of May 2021 on Monday. Flora gathers all her friends for something very close to her heart, and Zolani and Emma struggle to deal with her mom's latest stand on Tuesday. Zolani gets a rude awakening. Flora encounters problem with her new product on Wednesday. Zolani starts to wonder what else Emma is capable of, and Flora and Cobra turn into rivals on Thursday. Emma finally confronts her past, and Flora realizes that there is a snake in her garden on Friday. Kiriboni's painful past returns to haunt her. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.